Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to leverage the power of Notion to manage your club meetings more effectively. This is your full 2025 guide, so let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is set up a new workspace dedicated to your club. This is where you'll organize all your club-related content, from meeting agendas to minutes and action items. The reason we do this is to keep everything in one place, making it easier to manage and less likely to miss important items. Now that we've done that, it's time to create a new page for each meeting. On this page, you can list out the meeting agenda, attach relevant documents, and even include a table for action items. This helps us because it provides a centralized location for all meeting-related information, allowing club members to stay informed and engaged. Next up, let's talk about using Notion's templates. Notion offers a range of pre-made templates, including one for meeting notes. By using this template, you'll save time and ensure you capture all the necessary details. This is crucial because it helps to maintain consistency, making it easier for everyone to follow along and know what to expect. The fourth step involves using Notion's collaboration features. You can invite all club members to your workspace and assign tasks to them. This is done by simply @mentioning them next to an action item in your table. The reason we do this is to ensure accountability and keep everyone on track with their responsibilities. Finally, don't forget to use Notion's reminder feature. You can set reminders for upcoming meetings, deadlines for action items, and more. This helps us because it ensures no important dates or tasks slip through the cracks. And there you have it. You now know how to use Notion to manage your club meetings. Remember, the key is to keep everything in one place and use the features available to you to ensure effective collaboration and communication. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.